So I want to welcome you to today's market outlook. So like we usually do, we are going to begin by looking at the economic calendar, which is the news events that we are expecting that are actually going to move the market. So we are going to look at the entire week beginning today, because market opens today evening down to 19th. So apply. This is Forest Factory. Okay, so the activity is going to begin tomorrow. So tomorrow, 1:30 p.m. Nigeria, 2:30 p.m. South Africa, we're going to have this USD news, the Empire State Manufacturing Index. By this time, is a red folder news, so we expect it to have some impact on the market. So that's the only major news event for tomorrow. Then on Tuesday, which is the 16th, we're going to have an orange folder news. Orange folder is a medium impact. It's not really going to be crazy, but it's something that we also want to take note of. So that's on Tuesday. It will be 2:30 a.m. in Nigeria and 3:30 a.m. in South Africa for the AUD. We'll have the monetary policy meeting minutes. Then 7 a.m. Nigeria, 8 a.m. South Africa, we're going to have it will be the GBP, the Great Britain pound, a red folder news, the claimant count change. So expect that to have some significant impact on the GBP by this time. It will be closely followed by the average earnings index, which is an orange folder that signifies a medium impact. Then 10 a.m., the euro will have a medium impact, but where we are going to have the German Z economic sentiment. 1:30 p.m. Nigeria, 2:30 p.m. South Africa, it will be the Canadian dollar for the CPI. The CPI for the Canadian dollar. So 3 red folder news at the same time. So we expect that to have some impact. It will also be followed by the USD. They call retail sale. Same 1:30 p.m. So this is really a time to expect some very big movement from the CAD and then the USD. We're going to close the day on the euro. That will be 3 p.m. Nigeria, 4 p.m. South Africa for the ECB President Lingard speech. That takes us to Wednesday, the 17th. For the AUD, we're going to 2:30 a.m. Nigeria, 3:30 a.m. South Africa. We're going to have the wage price index, the red folder news. Then 10:50 a.m., it will be the Great Britain pound. The Bank of England Governor Bali is going to speak. On Thursday, 2:30 a.m. Nigeria, 3:30 a.m. South Africa, the AUD, the employment change and the unemployment rate will be released. So we expect this to actually have some significant impact on the Australian dollar, which will be closely followed by NZD 3 a.m. Orange folder. Same with the GBP orange folder 10:15 a.m. Then 2:30 p.m. in Nigeria and 2:30 p.m. in South Africa, it will be the unemployment change for the dollar. So expect this to make some movement on the dollar. And then we also have this.
Mr. Eric.
Yeah.
Okay, continue, no problem. I will ask you later.
Okay. So same Thursday, 4 p.m., the Canadian dollar, the Bank of Canada Governor McLean is going to give a speech that will impact the market. Then Friday, we're going to close Friday with this with Powell's speech. Anytime Powell is speaking, the Fed chairman Powell, so expect the market to react 4 p.m. on Friday. So this is the economic outlook for the entire week. So beginning Monday down to Friday, we have red folder news. So we're expecting some movement in the market. All right, so let's now look at what the charts are now telling us. What are the charts saying? Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. This took like eternity. It took like eternity for the dollar to finally leave this consolidation. In fact, I am the happiest. I'm the happiest. I've been expecting this move outside this consolidation for almost a month. Because it's very difficult to trade when the market is just moving up, down, up, down. But finally, we are outside that consolidation. So these are the kind of things we are actually looking for in the market. We want to see moves like this. Okay. So over the so the dollar is already outside of this consolidation. So if we're looking at this is an impulse swing. That's an impulse swing that so we want to see more movement on the upside for the dollar. So we want the dollar to make more upward move. So what I want to see, there are points on the upside here that the dollar will want to clear. But I want it to give us an opportunity to join. So what I want to see, the dollar might, there are strong reasons to believe these are possible points we should expect the dollar to reach for. These are points we expect it to reach for. So to do that, To do that, I want a situation where we're going to have a pullback. So I want to see the dollar pulling back to levels like this. These are good points for us to take it up, clear this upside, and then possibly make a move down to that level. So that's what so watch out. We may, at market opening, we might have it immediately start making that pullback. But for now, the move is actually, we're concentrating on this upward move, but we need a pullback for us to actually participate in the upward in the buy. Okay, so but for my seat, maybe at market opening, may just come, want to take out this high and possibly this before it may begin to give us. But for now, we're just know that what we are looking for is a pullback out of this move that we've already gotten here, so that we can get an entry. So that's for the dollar. So let's look at the euro. I think euro USD. I've also, so if we can get a move back, yeah, I think that's also what I would like to see. I want the euro. That's because the euro USD does exactly opposite of what we see in the dollar. So if we can get the euro USD down to this level, then we can expect it to come lower. That would be a nice one. So we want to watch out for that. The GU has already. So if we're looking at this, we have levels here. No, my seats go all the way down here. So that's for GU. Let's see what the JPYs are been up to. Okay. People might just see this one. Want to go all the way here and then yeah, I think really we can watch out for that. Nice, nice move down. Took out the liquidity here. So we're expecting this pullback. This pullback that will significantly want to fill up the gap created here. So we can now look down, look at the market coming down lower. EJ. So EJ didn't. Our expectation for last week for Euro JPY was that it was going to fill up that gap, but that really didn't happen. It came short of that. Instead, it moved way lower, clearing up the liquidity here. Took out the liquidity, produce a change of structure. So our expectation is that it should still make that move to the upside, fill up that gap. So we can look at the whole of this. This came short. Okay. I think the next, let's look at USD card. USD card just moved like the dollar. So it can present a very good opportunity if we're looking at this. We're looking at this. So if it pulls down, then where's the JPY? So same expectation. Okay, we're still expecting a fill up of this. So if it gives us an opportunity like this, then we can look at taking up to that point. That's about more than 160 pips. This move here is already significant. Took out these highs here. So yeah, will not come down that low. We also see it just come react to this point here. These are two possible scenarios we'll be looking at now. So if it doesn't come down there, then it may just come and get up to that point here. So we want to watch out for the way it's going to react, either at this point or here. Because they are all key levels. If we can get it to this point, we know that at least we have up to 50% retracement out of based on this impulse that the market made. So I would rather have it come down here, consider it as an opportunity than getting it at this point here. So I want it to retrace deeper. I want it to retrace deeper. Okay, I think we've not touched good. Good, 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 good. I'm not really seeing much from gold. So I'm not seeing any clear anything that I want to I'm actually not impressed with the way
I
gold
mean,
has been. The way gold
I
has
mean, gold
been.
is on consolation. I mean,
Yeah, it's really not, the setup is really not clean.
okay.
But then it's really not. I don't like the way it's moving. So I would rather not want to make any prediction on gold. Let me check. Let me see what Sunday's oil is doing. Okay. So we had oil. Oil is now looking. Trying to go outwards. I think we might see oil just making going selling off. It's looking more like it. It will be focusing on the sell stops below here. So it's having that difficulty. That difficulty. So I believe it will just be a free fall. Please, if it times out and you have questions, so you can just rejoin so that we can treat the questions.
Okay.
I said if it times out, let me try to see. I'm still trying to project what we are expecting from oil. So the meeting is going to time out in about a minute and 30 seconds.
Okay. Can you help me check EUR and AUD?
When you were here, I checked EU.
No, EUR, then AUD. Pair with AUD.
Euro US, Euro and Euro AUD.
Yes.
That's what I would like to see for oil. Just have it go higher a little and then sell off. Okay. So I'll do that when we rejoin. The meeting is almost timing out.